guys, welcome to this master class. So we'll be teaching you how to install IP CCTV, practical explanation. So we are using this hotel as a case study for our installation. So you will be getting practical ways on how to maybe deploy an IP camera setup for a building like this. So in this place we are installing 16 IP cameras. So we'll be showing you step by step on how the installation is done. Like I said, this class promises to be very explanatory and very understandable. So we'll do everything. We'll try to simplify every method every installation phase that we'll be doing here. So let me walk you through the phases here. So like I said, don't mind my recording. I want you to understand how it's been done practically in a real life environment. So two cables come here. So this for two cameras. So like I told you, we are not the one who run the wiring, but we were called to do the finish up. So now this wire that came here, if we were the one who run this wiring, we will take one to where the camera will be. Like we'll bring them out from where the cameras, each of the cameras will be. So this installation, we'll be doing that. So we need to do surface wiring to where the camera will be. One camera will be here. So we'll do that and we'll show you how it's been done. So alright guys, I want to show you guys how to mount the cameras. So now this is our camera. You already know how to do this. So now you have your insulator, comes with your camera. So first this one goes in. This one goes in. I will just in particular I will adjust the flexible insulator. So this one comes in like this. Comes in, followed by your insulator. Followed by your insulator. Then followed by this. So this one goes in like this. Don't make the mistake to put it the other way. You have to pull it out. So now, before you clip it, you open it a little, and you now clip your cable. Now clip. It's already clipped. So this one now comes in, followed by your insulator. Insulator will now enter inside this hole. You see it. Inside, I was spoiling the cable. So before you now lock it with this, So you see, you found a locking it. You can decide to add your tape. You can decide to also take it down for more better insulator. And after doing that, you knock your cable. So you pull the wires in. Tighten. So you see it now with your camera.